Morning guys! Today is Tuesday and the first day of school ni Princess. So guys, nagsaing tayo, nagluto tayo ng ulam at syempre nakapag-plancha tayo. At gising na si Princess at nakaligo na rin siya. Yan. Excited po yan lagi pag may school. Saan ka na, anak? Ayan na siya. Nag-medyas na. So, mamaya, hatid natin si Princess kasi, diba, first day of school. So, kailangan ihatid natin sa school at makikita nyo kung gaano kadami ng mga estudyante. So, see you later, guys. Welcome back. At yun, pwede na yung kanin. Pwede na tayo kumain ng almusal. Pwede na to, nak. Hala. Okay na ba to? Mga ilang minuto na ba to? Guys, mag-aalmusal na si Princess. And guys, nag-breakfast na si Princess. Meron siyang egg and longganisa para sa kanyang first day of school na almusal. Dahil maaga ang pasok at may sila ang mag-flag ceremony ngayon. 5:25 yung pasok.
25 na kami. Ano pala? 5:23 na.
Okay. Ready na si Printed. Hatid na namin ni Labo. Tubigan mo na. Guys, alis na kami. Punta na ng school. Hatid na natin si Princess. Tara na, maliliit ka na. Oh, tara, let's go. Doon ka na. Picture ka pala na. Bye. Tingin dito.
I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. You're a strike.
Dami nang naglalakad.
Got no words, I'm
Maganda pala sa umaga na exercise din pag naglakad ka, no?
way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's
Traffic.
lost in your eyes every time. There's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in you since the night on the terrace. Yeah, you had me falling fast. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. Got double vision. I get lost in your eyes.
Ilan po ako. Antay mo ako ha. Saglit lang ha. Oo, sisa.
Wala yan, pero
Para saan? Akali. Pila. Ang haba na ng pila guys. 6 a.m. pa yan sila papasok, di ba na? Dandahan naman. Ang bilis niya lumakad guys. Oh. Oh. Uy, babay muna dito. Wow, una na siya guys. Bye-bye. O, diba? Ang bilis. Oh, may TV dito. Oh. Woo! Oh, Ayan. Ang bilis ni Princess, ganyan talaga pag mga star student. Pasok agad. Wala nang pila-pila, oh. Grabe, diretso-diretso pasok niya, ha? Excited yun, ha? O, ayan, may UNTV TV pala dito. Dalawa pala yung pila dito. Dalawa yung pila. Ayan, sila ni Princess yung nag-lead ng flag ceremony. So, wait lang tayo. Sila. Hanapin natin sila. Saan siya? Bakit wala? Tara, balik na. So, yun na guys, nahatid na natin si Princess for here. First day of school. Thank you for watching guys. See you again on my next vlog.
I got you and your vibes in my mind. I can't get enough. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words. I'm
Ganito nakabisi ang kalsada every morning, Monday to Friday. First day of fall.